Up another 900 right here. I am currently up 4,269. Over 110 points since my first entry on the short.
Oh, look at these candles. My shit's frozen.
Hey, you know Braxton up here. My boy's got a third leg.
Why do you have
Wait,
measuring meats? You're the meat measurer.
I just made $9,128, and I'm officially just grinded a 150K funded account live for everyone with all entries, exits, stop losses, and everything. Ask him that question, Llama.
Have you ever called a black African a
No.
What does that mean?
It's worse than you can call someone, to be honest, like, from that race.
Wait a minute, does that mean Llama just ripped it on stream?
Oh, yeah, he did, didn't he?
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. It is May 1st, 9:30 in the morning on a beautiful Thursday. I'm with the one and only Mr. Sober Pay to Play. Llama Llama Rip Pajama. The Florida Panthers have beaten the Tampa Bay Lightning 4-1 in the series. Who the hell thought that Tampa even had a chance is beyond me. The Rat Pack wins again, baby, and we are here to celebrate.
Right.
There was no chance. Hockey in the world, the best hockey in the world comes through South Florida, baby. Who would have thought?
Right. Like it's not even cold over here. We're just the best hockey team
over here.
It ain't even cold over here. Playmaker.
Hold all in my chain. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? We are lit. We lit.
We are thinking.
Dumpy.
I have a very strong bias that we're going up. Very strong bias. Very strong bias that we're going up, but we're tanking right now.
I mean, if it breaks,
tanking hard.
Might
breaks this, it's gonna go.
Hold
on. We're getting close to a little sweeperson here.
Boy, he just said it's gonna go up, and as soon as he said that, jump.
Okay, there's our sweeperson. Hold on. You wait patiently. Share screen. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Guys, it's the first of the month. Get up. It's the first of the month. So wake up.
Deleting all this shit, and I missed the fucking entry because shit, bro.
Man, that was a banger.
Nah, bro. Y'all just really pissed me off. Just missed my entry because I'm deleting things off the chart.
Damn.
Yo, Nick, put a screen up, bro. That shit just got me tight.
Bro, well, I mean, I think it might go back down, Llama. I might jump in the sell right here. If we look for a 3-bar, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, see if we can print into a 3-bar. Could pop, could drop, could absolutely clock. Let's see what happens. Popping up. Ooh.
Oh, that shit just got me tight.
Oh, it's bully.
Yes, Nick, pull up a chart, bro. I'm not putting my chart up. That shit just got me.
What are you tight about? What's wrong?
Just missed the fucking snipe for 250 ticks. What are you kind of bullshit on my chart? Jesus Christ, that was a move and
it was Nick's fault?
No, now Nick's, but I'm not putting up a chart now. Got me tight. I'm gonna erase everything off my chart. Man, what a move that was. Christ.
Oh no, I kind of like the short here, Llama. I'm kind of like
the
short.
I mean, it could go back down.
If SPX breaks the 20 right here, hold on. If SPX closes on a newer low, I'm probably gonna take a short. If SPX closes this newer low right here, I'm definitely gonna go probably take a short just because it's a 3-bar down. Let's see what happens. There goes the push. There's the newer low. NQ with some strength though. NQ with some strength, that's for sure. NQ with some strengthy, that's for sure. Let's see, a little droppity poppity. We are getting paid today, baby, guys. First of the month. Load up them TPT accounts. Load up them 1 day to pass FFF accounts. Let's get cruising and bruising, baby. I like this newer low right here, Llama. I'm telling you, I might take the short right now. If this candle can print through, I might jump on that thing. There goes NQ. I want to see NQ come down a little bit further. Let's see. I'm going to wait for this candle close because I want the next candle to confirm. I want the next candle to confirm my trend. The trend is my motherfucking friend. Oh, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I'm probably going to jump on that thing right now, Lami.
Jump in. We still got another low. I want to see 900 get hit.
Oh.
I want to see 900 get hit. That 1 minute candle was a scalp, bro, and it was clean 1 minute 50-point scalp. It was like an in and out.
It be like that sometimes.
Crazy pop.
It be like that sometimes, baby.
It's that shit, bro. God damn. Scalp would have been my one and done, low key.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda. There it goes. There's a little dumper. Here we go. We're moving. Okay, break the low, and you know we can go. Watching SPX, the only thing that
See if we
matters
can
right
go
now.
here or not.
The only thing that matters on my chart. There it goes. Beautiful. Beautiful. There it is. I'm going to ride this to a previous low if I can. If not, stop loss at break even right now. Bang. There's a nice dumpy. There's a nice
Nice.
dumpy. We've been
I want to
riding
see
these dumps in the
900.
morning. We've been riding these little dumpers
Yes,
in the morning.
flipping.
It's flipping. Ooh, that's a nice
Yes, with a
flip.
flip. I do
Stop.
not want to see. I do not want to see 950 get crossed. 950 doesn't get crossed, it can go back down. If not, it's popping all the way up to 2000, 20,004.
Well, it's hitting a peak right now. This is where the short would come back down. Let's see what happens here. Beautiful.
There's the take of 950.
Oh,
If
we
it breaks this,
bully.
it's gone. Breaks
Oh,
this, is
yeah.
gone. If it doesn't break this, it's falling back down.
Oh, we bully.
Man,
Oh,
fucking snipe.
we got stopped out. Small
That
stop
boy
out.
Nick has no idea what to do. He said, "What do I show on the chart, buddy? What are we looking at right now?"
Nick has no idea. Nick
Nick,
has no
what are
idea.
we looking at? There's 4 candles on his chart. Oh, Nick, Jesus fuck.
Oh, yeah, I like the potential pullback here. If this breaks back, Llama, if this breaks back to previous whip body, like around 33, I'm definitely. Oh, I got to sell some options. Stand by. Stand by. I got to sell some options. Stand by. Stand by. I got to sell some options.
What does your NQ 1 minute look like that?
Your chart is, bro, the people are mad, boy. They're mad, Llama. I need to sell some options real quick. Ooh, here's a 3-bar up. If that plays out, that's going to break. What are you laughing at?
Nick's chart is just so funny. The chat is just going nuts.
Bro, Nick's chart is pathetic. That shit looks like some kind of like overseas
Griffin
type.
the chat said, buy the course and set up your own chart. You're knowledgeable. All right, I'll share my fucking chart. The thing is, my chart right now, Max, you have no idea how my chart looks. It's crazy animated.
Crazy?
Yeah, it's nuts.
Show it off, player. Show it off. I gotta sell some options real quick. Dang, we in there.
Damn, I don't want to show that.
Oh, that short is shorting. Oh, that short is shorting.
Up.
I got tapped into the short, Llama.
Nice. I think we can go to 900. You're 10 points away.
I got tapped into that. I had an entry right there at the bottom. I'm gonna. Oh, we're breaking a low here. Ooh,
Yes,
is there an
inside.
MVG?
I want to see this 900.
There's an MVG above, which is kind of scary. Might see a wick up. Think I might just wait for orb now. I think it's just time to wait for orb.
Don't sleep. This 900 gets hit, and if flips, it's gone. 100 points, promise you.
That was a nice hit.
Just wait on it, Max. You see this 900 sweep? If it pops up, I'm telling you 100 points, Max. Remember these words.
It pops up.
If it hits 900 and pops up, we're gonna see 100 points. Promise you.
If it hits 900 and pops up, you're gay.
There's 900. If we get an instant reaction, I'm in this shit. There's an instant reaction.
Don't talk about it, be about it, fool. You just said if there's an instant reaction, I'm in this shit. And then you're gonna be like, oh,
my confirmation.
I'm tight, bro. I'm tight. I didn't get in my trade. I'm tight, bro. This is A+ setup, but I'm tight right now.
That wasn't A+. Wasn't A+ yet. It's an instant reaction. It's looking good.
There it goes. Look at Llama. He just missed 100 ticks.
Already in.
120 ticks. Llama's out.
I've been in on my TPT for about 45 seconds already. Trying to get in on my FF. Wait on it.
That was a good one. Ooh, that wick down. I'm about to watch the short for a 3-bar.
Wait on it.
I'm watching that short for a 3-bar. Oh yes. See if SPX comes back down. Oh yes.
Ooh,
3 bars be 3-barring. 3 bars be 3-barring. Yeah, there we go. Stop loss at break eve. 3-bar be 3-barring. I'm up 1100 on this one.
Damn.
I'm up 11.
Not enough come from easy.
No wikis, no wickety splickities. I might just take
1,000 easy on that one.
If it gets back down over 1,000, I might just take it. Hold on, here we go. 1,200, 1,500. Moving my stop loss down to 903, and I'm tapped.
Wait on it.
1,200. I'm up 1,243.
Still no come from easy.
I'm up 1,243. Special offer, funded futures family. 1 day to pass. That's what I'm trading right now. My funded future family account, because I'm trying to get past, boy. I might try and get funded on the 150 today. I might just go off today, Llama.
As well.
So we got news in 3 minutes. Oh, we got global PMI in 3 minutes.
Ooh, no. Still no confirmation for me on this buy, but I like it. Really like it.
Global PMI in 3 minutes. I am waiting for orb. There's no reason, guys. And remember, everything we do here is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. Don't forget to check out everything we offer here, the free Discord. And if you want to support the team, all that we ask is you do is you hit that code BDM and that code P2P. That's all that we ask that you do. Right.
We really got 945. Isn't 945 not red though? Or is it red? I thought red folder was at 10.
I'm showing red right here in 1
Not
minute.
For me, it's yellow.
S&P Global Manufacturing PMI is yellow in your 10 o'clock. We have ISM Manufacturing. That's definitely a red folder. That's definitely a red folder.
For me, PMI is or final manufacturing yellow.
Consolidation. Let's wait 2 more minutes and see what that orb gives. If we see an overreaction, Llama, on this 945, I'll probably play a reversal. If we see a big move on a yellow folder, I'll probably play the reverse.
I'm like beyond bullish right now. Next level bullish. I just have no the candle structure is not good enough for me to get a confirmation.
I don't know why you so bullish, my boy.
Oh, you ain't checked the features one chat. That's why. It's because you didn't check the features one chat, my boy. Yeah. Oh my god, there goes the fucking yucky. Damn, we got news at 9:45, bro.
We got news in 15 seconds, bro. You gotta let it ride, player. You gotta let it ride. You got news in 15 seconds. Can't do nothing about it.
Nothing about it, literally, bro.
Let's see. We got news in 3, 2, 1, and let's see if we get an overreaction. Hella underwhelming.
Yellow. 9 a.m. is gonna be kind of crazy.
Come on down. That was hella underwhelming.
Hella.
That shit was fucking.
If we print through 950 though, I'm kind of on that.
That shit was whack as fuck.
Not bad here, twin. 950 can go for 100 points.
Yo, this orb update, you fucked up my colors, dog. You messing with my colors, production. I gotta go pull my own fucking color code now to get my shit back. You messed up my color, dog.
950, bro. There's clean break here.
Well, I can't do nothing now. I gotta fix my damn chart. Production shit on my chart. Here's a 3-bar test of a SPX high right here. This is a beautiful move. Beautiful move, Llama. What you thinking?
I'm in already.
You're in the long?
Yep. Up 750, 800 per
account. Boy, this next candle breaks. I mean, testing orb high. We're testing all the things. None of my orb is showing on SPX right now. What's going on with my orb on SPX? Where's Javi? My orb indicator. How come the orb indicator ain't working on my shit?
Trailing that. Yeah, I just partialed out. That was clean push. That 950, I'm telling you, can go for 100 points.
Oh yeah, this is a nice
right off that print through. Yeah, I'm up. I already trailed out 2,000 in profit. And I got another 2,000 rolling. One right under that candle.
Testing the top of orb.
Loading right now. I still didn't jump in on my FFF though, bro. I'm spooked to trade the FFS.
Why?
I'm getting close to a withdrawal.
Ooh, my boy's getting close to a withdrawal. Ooh, I like that.
Check me out, man.
Here is very, very strong. Testing the top of orb right here. Testing the top of orb. There's a good risk reward right here. Oh no, my boy. Oh my boy. I don't know, Llama. Well, let's see what this next candle on SPX.
I got 5 micros running right now.
If this candle right here doesn't continue this breakout, if we see a flip,
going right under that candle,
seeing some relative weakness on NQ. Let's just be patient, boys. Let's be patient.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna just drop here, other one here.
Oh yeah, that's a confirmed break of orb, and the uptrend. Llama in the long is a beast. Llama killed that long, but NQ kind of stalling ass right now, Llama.
Yeah, I'm trailed at 67, 61, and then I have 3. I'm leaving break even.
You know, some relative weakness on NQ right now for sure. It is kind of dragging ass in this zone here. It's got to really break through. There it goes. It's really got to push through.
It's 40 micros, but split between different accounts. It's not 40 micros on one account, bro. In case you're wondering.
40 micros on one account.
Yeah,
hey, where's my boy Braxton at?
Here that says I'm in with 40, but it's multiple accounts.
Where's my boy Braxton at? Man, my boy Braxton, he must have seen number 2 right now and killed it. He must have seen Fute number 2 and went off.
And
it's a beautiful uptrend. It's a beautiful uptrend.
I want to see if it can break. ES is at topside orb. This would be a risk reward sell off, but if it breaks through, it's
already popped through. SPX already popped through.
I just got trailed. I only got 3 micros running right now.
And Q's kind of been dragging ass, and it's showing signs of a potential short right now. I think if this candle closes, very important here. This candle close drops and we see a continuation. My boy Braxton. Let's
I got 3
go.
micros running. I
This
was in
next
with 15.
candle, very
Paid myself
important.
heavy.
See if
Paid
this
myself
breaks this
pretty
little
heavy.
uptrend, breaks back in the orb. I'm gonna test a short.
I can't show my buy orders because I haven't taken a trade on FFF yet. That's why you don't see I'm logged in on FFF on TradingView. But I'm my TPTs, I trade them a little bit more wild because they're 150Ks. I want to see this hold now. This little FEG sitting right here that we just tapped. I want to see this hold. If this can hold and we flip, we break out of orb and run. Remember, I told you 950 goes for 100 points.
Right.
Take a 3Z here. I'll probably scale into this trade and then I'll jump in on FFF.
This candle is very important right here, Llama. This candle is very important right here. If this candle closes inside orb or flips, I'm probably gonna take a short on NQ.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on it. I need to catch a snipe on my FFFs, bro. My FFFs, you know how much they're up right now, Max? 3,500 per account.
On the payouts, on the fundeds.
On the fundeds, yeah.
I know.
They're up 3,500.
No.
I'm looking at over 13, 14 bands. And that was all starting Monday. That was all made this week on 50Ks. $72 accounts, code BDM.
Let's go.
Oh. Even I had to buy those accounts when you said they were $70. Needed
Watch that MVG fill right there. There's an MVG fill.
Yes, breakout, dude. I'm telling you, this looks nice.
NQ is just stalling, bro. You see the relative weakness.
Yeah,
It's dragging ass cheeks. It is dragging ass cheeks.
stalls
I don't see nothing bullish about NQ right now. I'm telling you, if SPX touches this orb, I'm going in on NQ short. If SPX touches this orb, I'm going in on the short.
Yeah, my trails are here at 950. My last
these
3 micros are sitting at 950.
I just want to see SPX break 24 and I'm jumping, Llama. SPX breaks 24, I'm jumping. Ain't no mountain high enough.
What a wick out. That FEG just held so clean.
Ooh,
look at that FEG hold. Oh my god, that was so yucky.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that FEG just held so crazy.
Fully.
Yeah, I just trailed 1 micro all the way to 81. The one at
MVG right here. There's a little MVG. There it goes. It's gonna drop back down. It's gonna drop back down. Let's fill that. It's gonna fill that.
Next one's trailed at 70. Does it take me out here? Yep. I have 1 micro running right now.
There we go.
1 micro running. This looks like, bro, that was.
I took the short. I took the short, Llama. I'm inversing you, my boy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're gonna have 1 micro running. 1 micro break even.
I just need to see SPX get below that orb. I think it's going to drop NQ. It's just showing weakness. If first candle flip, I'll get out at a little 5-point stop loss. Little 5-pointer, no big deal.
I think I'll catch my first entry on the FFFs if we break out of this.
Those wicks on SPX look good. This candle's
very hesitant on my FFFs right now. ES is looking like it could 3Z stay outside. I mean, ES never broke back in. The only thing inside orb right now is NQ.
Look at NQ. Crash.
Same FEG just held clean though.
Dang. Look at this. Here we go. I'm up 1,200. I'm getting ready to trim a little profit. I'm up 1,800. I'm getting ready to take a little profit off the top right here. I'm trying to see that 2 bandos right there. 1,700, 2,100 right there. Gonna go ahead and trim profit right there on my short. There we go. I call it.
Breaks in or not.
If it breaks back in the orb, this is a printer. Yeah, there it goes.
If it breaks, it's gonna go.
Another 1,800.
Nice.
Go ahead and put a stop at 70. Oh, I'm up 2,100. 2,100 right here. 2,000. I'm gonna hold the short.
Pay yourself a little here, Max. You don't want to pay yourself?
No. Okay. I think it's gonna keep going. We got a break in orb. I want to see a punt. I want to see a flip. Got a tight stop loss right at 62. I'm not worried about a thing. I don't
want to catch a buy right here.
At 62, my boy.
Yes, break back out. I kind of want to
attack me. I'm on sniper mode right now. I'm on 3,500, Llama.
We can flip.
I'm up 3,500. Oh, there's that continuation.
3-6 midline. Like this kind of. We have news in 5 minutes. Fuck. We got to be patient.
Get back in this short here. I'm about to get back in this short here. SPX broke back in the orb, continued through. That's what I'm looking for. We got news when?
In 4 minutes.
I don't give a
4.5. 5 minutes. Well, yeah, now it's like 4.5. Yo, Max, guess whose birthday it is? Did I tell you?
Whose birthday it is? Hold on, I'm up another 900. Hold on, here we go. Nice break. I'm up another 900 right here. I'm gonna probably just try and snipe. Stop loss at midline. Stop losses at midline at 40. That's a guaranteed 5 points on 3 cons. 5 points on 3 cons. I'm gonna let it run. I'm going to let it run. I'm up 800, 900. Here we go. There it goes. That was a beautiful re-entry. Beautiful re-entry on the SPX. Future strat number 1 played out like a beautiful job. I want to see the continuation. Keep going. Keep on going down. I might try and take profit at 25 right here. It's 1200. Moving my stop loss down to 33.
It
Moving my
breaks.
stop loss down to
Breaks under
33.
15, it's gone. But if it doesn't,
Here
it's
we
a good
go. Keep going, baby. Come on. Oh, stop me right there. Stop me right
Oh.
there. I am currently up 4,269. I'm up 4,269. Here's another look at a
We're
potential.
steep right now. This is so steep. This is a steep downtrend.
Looks good. I like the short. I played it. I caught it 3 times. I caught the short 3 times. Hey, you guys want to see what 3-timer looks like? Just like that for $4,000 in profit?
A 3-timer from the old
You
timer.
want to see what 4269 looks like on the Funded Future Family account? Get real.
3-timer from the old timer.
Time for the one time. Okay,
Like, bro, if we break, you feeling me? You know what I'm talking about, Max?
I feel you, player. I'm about to take another short. With that being said,
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait on it.
with that being said, I'm about to enter another short. Let's see if it holds below the midline here. I'm really looking for like a 3-bar continuation right here. I'm really looking for that 3-bar continuation.
Fuck that news.
What news? What news?
What
I'm up
news?
400.
I'm
I'm
the
up
news.
400. I'm up 500, 600. I'm up 700. I'm up 700. I'm going to move my stop loss down into break even. Actually, a little profit here. I'm up 800, 900. I'm going to move my stop loss to like 25
If this
just to
shit
like
prints
really.
through, Max, you're free.
I'm going to
Like,
move my
I'm
stop
talking about
loss into
free.
25 just to really get paid here.
You want to
Moving my
print
stop
under
loss.
15 and you're free.
I'm keeping a trailing stop loss of about 8 points, so it's at 23 right now. I'm up 700. Bang, bang, bang. Keep going. Keep going. Moving my tapped right there. Tapped right there. Another 800 in profit. I'm currently up
I'm maxing this.
5,121 on my fourth short entry. I'm up 51.21. There's all my entries. There's my P&Ls. Suck my balls. The short still looks really good, to be honest. I think we're going to test downside orb.
Suck
I
my
think we're going to go
balls.
all the way to downside orb. Here's a fresh midline break. Keep holding the
Looking
short.
good.
If you're in that short, keep holding the short. Looks really good.
News in a minute 30. This is a fucking
Hey, where's my boy Braxton at? Where my boy Braxton at?
deep ass move.
Braxton,
Deep ass move.
talk to me, B Money. Who took that short with Big Daddy Max? Who took that short with Big Daddy motherfucking Max? I'm playing full size today. 3 contracts, 3 minis a trade. Who took the short break with Poppy Max? It's the first of the
Does MQ break out of orb here is the question.
You know I was in there. My boy Braxton. Hey, pull up. Get Braxton on the stage. Get my boy Braxton up here. Super sick guesses. Yeah, I be guessing, bro. I be guessing. I don't know. Y'all are crazy for watching the Big Daddy Morning Show. You guys know I dropped out of high school. You guys know I dropped out of fucking high school.
Literally.
Seriously. Idiots.
News in
Bunch of
45,
idiots.
bro. News in 45. I wonder what
News in
happens
45 what? News in 45 what?
45 sms.
Not only did I drop out of high school, I dropped out after 9th grade. That's like the bottom of the barrel.
No, you basically dropped out of middle school.
I basically dropped out of middle school.
Right. You're basically dumb as fuck.
There's the top. Bro, look at this. Touch a bottom side orb right here on NQ. Now let's see SPX. Look at that short. Beautiful short. Over 110 points since my first entry on the short. Over 110 points. Strat number 1 led into strat number 2. Did everyone see that? Futes 1 lead into Futes. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at these candles. My shit's frozen.
I'm depegged. Oh my God.
My shit was completely frozen.
I was watching this. I'm depegged. Look at this wick. Whoa. Yeah. Oh.
It's nasty. What's up, boys?
Braxton, what's up, baby?
Is that Shrek with a do-rag?
That's Shrek with a do-rag. That's my boy Braxton. Braxton, you know the vibe. Turn the camera on.
I don't know. I'm working on it.
Braxton is he's a Futures 1 student llama who I had the pleasure meeting last night. He's a good dude, and we went over some clear stuff, and I'm just wanting to know, Braxton, did you see what I saw today?
For sure. I definitely seen that strat too.
And now you're on the funded
Starting
account.
out.
You're on the funded account. Llama, I had to say pause, and I yelled at him for like 15 minutes about getting paid out and stop blowing fundeds. I had to yell at him.
It hit.
It hit. It
different.
hit. It hit.
Yeah.
Let
Touch
let
hard.
talk to me, Braxton. Talk to me. Well, first of all, turn your fucking camera on. We're
All
filming
right,
television here.
all right. I don't know what the
We're
fuck
filming
like,
television
I'm
here.
loading up. Hold on.
This
Let's
drop
see.
looks good. I mean, nothing. I mean, that was an impulse candle break of the trend. We just saw midline to bottom side orb in one candle. We just saw midline to bottom side orb in one candle.
One candle, yeah.
All
I
of the
was looking at
news
that.
came out. I don't even know what the fuck the news meant, to be honest with you. I really don't even know how to read all of those numbers. But all I know is if he was in that short,
You got paid and
you got
you got
paid.
paid.
Watching SPX here holding the bottom side of orb is pretty damn good. We're seeing a lot of relative weakness.
I want to see if we hit my 850. If we hit my 850, that would be crazy.
Well, this candle is actually looking kind of juicy, Llama. Hold on. If this flips up and we continue, I might take a long with just an orb break. I might take the long with an orb break. If this is juicy, we can get to the midline. Here we go.
Ooh,
Hold on. If this
pushing here.
continues up, I'm a rippity split, my boy. This looks juicy. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh man, yo, I'm hungry. Do I have time for McGriddles? I do.
Hold on. That's an ugly looking pattern, but I think we have a little MVG right here.
But Max, I need you to just wait on it because you know I'm about to order McGriddles.
You're gonna order McGriddles.
I need to order a McGreasy.
I think this candle's about to flip on SPX, Llama. I think it might flip all the way up to 16.
I
And that
want to
would give us
see if
a
it
nice
hits my
pop.
fib level before, but I want to catch a buy. I'm telling you, when all
gonna
of my
catch it.
fibs line up here, I'm confident.
I'm gonna catch it right now. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna catch it right
I need
now.
to order a
player.
McGreasy.
I'm gonna catch it right there. Bang, bang, bang. There's the target on SPX. There's the target on SPX. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. Big Daddy's gonna move a stop up into the P because I ain't getting popped for nobody. Oh yes. Oh yes. This looks good for continuation. I'm gonna hold the long with a stop loss, 5 points in the money, baby. Get paid no matter what, Braxton. Get paid no matter what. I'm in the long. I'm in the long. I'm up
Locking in, I'm
1100,
locking in.
1300, 1500 on the long, moving my stop loss all the way up to candle low at 13. It could flip me, it could wick me, but there's another 1300 right there. And I'm taking it. I'm gonna take
why is
it.
DoorDash so expensive?
I'm taking it, Llama. I don't know why DoorDash is so expensive, you fat ass. I took profit right there. Another $1,000 profit. I'm currently up 6,100. 6,100 on that little long right there. I played the MVG long. Hey, Braxton, I
What's
played
up?
the MVG long, my guy.
And you need to just wait on
Yeah,
it.
I see.
Braxton, my boy
Surge
Braxton, talk
prices.
to us. First of all,
Very.
Braxton, I gotta ask, what do you do for work? Because I forgot to ask last night because I
Are you
feel like you're like
standing?
I feel like he's in television or something. Are you
Is
an
he
actor?
standing? Are you standing?
No, I'm not. I'm a registered nurse right now. Can you hear me?
You're
Are
an
you
RN?
standing?
Yeah, I'm an
Yeah,
RN.
Bro, I thought you were an actor. I'm dead
How
ass
tall are
serious.
you?
Wait, Llama, what?
How tall are
Oh,
you?
you said am I standing? Yeah, I'm standing. I'm 6'2".
Oh, so you're a little bit shorter than me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's way shorter than me. I was like, what?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So Max,
Braxton.
you really 6'7" or 6'8"?
Yeah, actually.
Who? No,
Not gonna
I'm
lie,
six.
I
I'm
thought that
in
was
my
cap.
shoes. In my shoes, I'm 6'8.5".
Okay.
Llama's like 5'10".
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
Llama's very small.
6'2.5".
Braxton, talk to me. We went over some things, top secret stuff. We went over some things last night. Future Strat 2, Future Strat 3,
615.
MVGs. We hit some bangers. We hit some bangers. Tell me, you were trading this morning. What's the funded account look like?
I didn't trade it today. I was trading another
Okay.
eval.
How's the
So
eval going?
I'm gonna start the funders next week.
How's the eval looking?
It's cool. It's up a little bit. I only traded one con.
There's
So
nothing wrong with
I'm
that.
up. I'm green.
Hey, green is green.
I'm green.
Green is green. That's all that matters. That's good that you took that and you're going
Yeah.
green. I like it. Very good. I was gonna see if you traded that fucking funded or not. Llama, I
Nah,
like
I'm
this
gonna wait.
long here. Hold on, I like this long for a possible continuation. This breakthrough on SPX looks really good. If it tests the top side of orb and pushes through, I'm gonna scale into another long
Need that
here.
NQ to just wait on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna scale into another long if that thing pushes through. Bang, 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 just like that. And just like that, I got a stop loss in break even. Look at the push through topside orb, very bullish. Let's close above, and I'm
My
gonna
shit's
scale into
completely
this trade.
frozen.
Closes above,
It's
I'm gonna
moving
scale
now.
into that trade, Llama.
See what it does here because it's like
It's a beautiful looking trade right there. I'm scaling into that thing. Let's see what happens. I'm scaling into that. There's a rejection. Wait for this candle closure. Oh, there it is. That's something that we like to see. That's a little something we like to see. I'm up a 500, another 500 right there. Holding
You went
it.
off that just wait
holding
on it? I still haven't taken a
it.
trade on my FFF.
Beautiful 1-2. There we go. There's the continuation. And then I'm going to take a little bit more profit right there. Just a quick couple hundred more. Just up. And I'm going to take it right here at the midline. I'm taking the rest of my profit right here at that NQ midline or rejection. I'm up 6,500, I think, now on the day.
I entered
Cool.
too late. I lost some. I lost a little bit, but it's all good.
It's all good. Just play small.
Breezy here.
It's
Just
all
keep
good.
playing
I'm still
small.
up.
There's no rush. There's no race. Everybody trade your own contract amount that you feel comfortable with. We're all chilling. We're all having fun. My boy Braxton's up on the stage. He is married, ladies. I know what you're thinking. He looks like one of, you know what I'm saying? I know Monique. Hey, I know Monique logged in, was like, was good. Yeah,
Ain't
Michael
no
B.
way.
Jordan type
Right,
shit right now.
right,
Michael B.
right.
Jordan type shit right now. Jamie in all caps say he's fine. Yep. Michael B. Jordan type shit. My man is married. My man is married with a kid. So relax.
Can you guys respect?
Bro, they don't respect the
Hey,
office,
I
bro.
appreciate the love. I appreciate it.
Of course, yo, stop smiling, bro. For your girl
Hey,
walk in and beat your ass.
Like the smile.
Yeah,
Try to
his
get
girl's
us
gonna-
jumped
Hey,
here.
smile.
Hell
His girl's gonna
no.
walk in and beat his ass.
He's gonna walk in and beat all our ass.
I know that's right. Llama, I
We're
like
all
the
held
short.
accountable for this shit.
I like the potential of a short 3-bar here. Let's see if it plays out.
Plot twist: Jamie's a man.
I like this 3-bar, Llama. I mean, yep, bang. There it goes yet again.
No,
I'm up
I'm
1,000.
waiting on this level, bro.
I'm up 1,300. Moving my stop
waiting
loss
to catch
down
my 200
10.
points
I'm up
today.
1,500. I'm up 1,600. I'm taking full profit right here at 1,500. I am now up 76.92. I'm taking profit. I'm up 76.92 on that nice, beautiful 3Z. That was a beautiful 3Z. I mean, just a nice 1-2Z 3Z. So I'm going to take that and we're going to hold on and be patient now because it has a very big wick off of the orb midline. So now I'm just going to be patient.
We're just gonna wait on it, bro. I'm waiting on my 200 point trade. It can come from 2 levels, and we're so far not at any of them.
Let's see if SPX can reclaim 22. And if SPX can reclaim 22, I suspect this could be a bear flag breakout. Wait, nope, hold on, I might be wrong. For it to be nope, it cannot be a bear flag anymore. Does anyone know why it cannot be a bear flag right now? And I need to readjust my assessment. Does anyone know why?
No, Max, can you tell us, please?
Instagif, got it right. Because it retraced more than 50% of the poll. And if it retraces more than 50% of the poll, it is no longer a valid bear flag.
Wow, Max, you're so smart. It's almost like you didn't just drop out of middle school. Oh my god, you must have a huge fucking wiener.
Hey, yo. Hey, you know Braxton up here. My boy's got a third leg. You know Braxton.
Yo, why you gotta... Why are you the measurer? Why do you love measuring? Why do you love measuring meats? You're the meat measurer.
You know my boy Michael Braxton Jordan up here.
Hey, look, I do got a kid. That's all I'm saying. That's
So
all
that
I'm
means
saying.
that means you don't know how to pull out of your driveway, buddy. That's what that means.
Wait a minute. Now. Hold on.
Oh, that's right.
It was a long time before one popped up. So
yeah,
it's
not as easy. They make you think it's so easy, bro. They make you think it's so easy. Like in middle school, they're like, if you look at a girl and touch her panty line, you're gonna get her pregnant and you're gonna get AIDS. And it's like, it's like the hardest thing ever. It's like the hardest thing ever. Guys, don't forget tomorrow, the Funded Future Family 1 day to pass promo ends. You guys see me putting in work right now, but tomorrow that junk ends. Here's a
he sent a Yoda gif. He sent a Yoda gif and it says, clap those cheeks. I did. Pull out. I did not.
No, that's right. I know that's right. Llama, that was some volume on that pop-up right there. Hold on.
A little risk reward here.
SPX gets midline. I'm going long on the 900. I'm going long on the 900 of NQ. If it can hold, if SPX can hold that junk, I'm definitely going to take it for the bounce. Come on, SPX. Come on.
Max, bro, you didn't even let me tell you whose birthday it is today.
ORB.
Whose birthday is it, Llama?
Bro, it's my daughter's birthday.
You don't even have a daughter.
Yes, I have 2.
You don't even have a daughter. Invalidation.
Over here.
Llama, you do not have a daughter.
He does not have a daughter. What's he mean he got? Oh, his pup, his dog. Bro,
Oh.
that's twin. That ain't your daughter. That's your twin. I didn't know you were talking about twin.
Listen to her snoring. Oh, you can't hear it.
No, you can't hear it. I didn't know you were talking about twin.
Bro, she turned 3. What the heck is that about? Look at this
Oh, no.
3Z break out of orb.
It's a beautiful breakdown. Honestly, this is a beautiful trade. I might go short here. I'm watching SPX. SPX looks beautiful for. Let's see if this wicks or not. But this is looking good. If NQ pops back up, I might try and take a.
If it pops up, that's
range.
below.
It's in a range. It's in a range, Llama. So it's important to.
If you're in the chat. Yeah, I'm waiting on, bro. If we can hit 850, I'll be looking for buys, and
We're gonna go back up to 900. I think we're gonna go
200.
back up to 900. Here's the flip. Whoa! Here's the flip.
There's 900.
Let's see if this
Maxi.
candle continues or not. This is all about the continuation candle right now. That's all it's all about, Llama.
Take
That's
that
what
trade,
it's
though,
about.
Max.
If it pops up right here, yep. If it pops up right there, that might be the icing on the cake. If we get a break long. If we get a break long, Llama, that might be the icing on the cake for me. Let's see what we can do, baby. Let's see what we can.
Process.
There we go. There we go. Hold on. Let's break it. Let's break it, SPX. Let's get on up.
Right here.
There it goes.
Does it go?
There it
There's
goes.
a pop. Looks good. Midline on ES.
There it goes. I'm in it. Well, I'm in it, baby. I'm in it to win it. I need to let this one run. I need to let this one run a little bit. Stop loss at 900. Stop loss at 900. Here we go. Get ready, Llama. Here it comes. I need a couple more ticks, baby. Equal highs at 22 gets the job done. Equal highs at 22 definitely gets the job done.
It's 24,
next
25,
one.
26.
Next one. Ladies and
30.
gentlemen, keep holding that thing and move your stop loss all the way up to 21. Move your stop loss all the way up to 21 on the long right here. Oh, tapped. Hey, guess what, Llama?
Talk to me.
Guess what, Llama?
Talk to me.
Guess what, my boy Braxton?
What's up?
That is a perfect day of trading. I just made $9,128, and I'm officially just grinded a 150K funded account live for everyone with all entries, exits, stop losses, and everything. Perfect trading. There's the log.
You wait on it.
Buy futures one.
Buy futures one.
Futures one, y'all.
No
one.
Simple and easy.
There it goes, guys. Big Daddy Max traded his ass off. $9,000 in profit right there. Hey, I got a 50K. You want me to fuck around?
Duh. It's always time to fuck around.
Yeah, I got a 50K. Braxton, you want me to fuck around? Braxton, I wanted to see if you were going to trade the funded. And if you said last night you were just going to fuck with Big Daddy Max, so I snapped today on purpose for you, my boy. But you held out on me.
Hey, look, everybody eating though. Everybody eating.
Everybody's eating. That's all that matters. That's all that matters.
We're getting another account funded. So I think it's
what happens here.
Oh, look at the long here. Look at the long entry there.
Midline.
44 points since that 900 break. 45 points since that 900 break. SPX going to the top. Going to the top. This looks good, Llama. This looks real good for a short, maybe.
Yeah.
For a short.
I would take a short here.
You want to see SPX retrace back into orb? Because there's a potential MVG below. It could drop, but you got to wait for confirmations, and a break back in the orb would be a confirmation, Llama. You hear me?
I think sell's good here.
If it breaks back in the orb, it is. Want to see some downtrend.
ES broke out.
Some downtrend below.
ES at midline. ES is at top side.
Right. Just need to see some confirmation of a reversal, because right now everything's pointing up. But this is what I was telling you last night, my boy Braxton. You see, you gotta just be patient and wait for that signal. Once you get the signal, it's go time. But we ain't got no signal right now. So there's a little midline test. Beautiful. I just want you to know you are my favorite girl. There's the breakdown. Let's see if NQ showing some good relative strength right now, but let's see if we get to that MVG. I want to see SPX hit 20, Llama. I want to see SPX go all the way to 20 before I go long. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this 40 cents. Let's see if we can get this 40 cents or not. If it breaks back outside of orb, then there's definitely no trade. Definitely no trade involved here, but let's see what happened, Poppy. Let's see what happened. Right here, you'd want to see a flip right there. Breaking outside, no flippity. Very short invalidated. Or is it? Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. That break of orb is looking good. Oh, yes. Oh yes, you see that reversal out? That 3BZ break of oh my god. Oh my god, Llama. Continuation. Llama, what are you doing? Are you on the fucking phone? Is this dumbass on the phone? No shot he's on the phone. Is he serious?
Damn.
Braxton. How can I run a show when my co-host is on the phone the entire fucking time? Every day.
He ordering them McGriddles.
He's always on these damn McGriddles. The McDonald's just froze his phone. Literally,
Damn.
look at it. Literally, he just
Recipe
got
line.
frozen on the fucking screen. Welcome to the Big Daddy and Max and Braxton show. Welcome to the MMB show.
Oh, guys, let me pull up my charts real quick. Hold on.
Yeah, Braxton, let's get some charts going. Make sure there's no futures on there. No, make sure there's no
Let me get my
sauce.
charts.
Unreal. This guy's unreal. Watching this break of orb here, that's a very important level of SPX. It needs to pop back up, or else it is just gonna continue its trend. I want to see a break of orb. If this candle makes a newer high, though, we are confirmed bullish. Very bullish. Very, very bullish. But I'm looking for that break back in the orb, possibly a continuation down, and I'm just gonna be patient and wait. Just gonna be patient and wait.
My fucking internet went out.
Yeah, bro, because you were on McDonald's fucking chart.
This shit doesn't even make sense.
You were on,
Llama,
you were on
what model you got?
McDonald's.
No, you know, speaking of McDonald's, you know that shit pulled up though.
Bro, no shot.
Perfect timing.
No shot, Braxton. You look like a
I
guy
told you,
who
I was not lying.
Braxton.
I was not lying.
Oh my God. Here's a break of orb. Here's an SPX break of orb with a potential 1-2. If this candle
My
continues
trading
down,
view is
Llama,
still frozen.
Llama, this next candle goes down. This is entry right here. You heard me?
Bro, my
This
trading
next
view doesn't
candle
open.
continues. This next candle breaks. We need to see 24 break to 20. That's what we're looking for. That's what you're looking
It does
for.
not open.
Ooh, look at that midline bounce on NQ. That thing wicks.
Good. All right. Back up, fatty.
This guy got his McDonald's out. His stream is broken.
Life's rough, bro. Life's rough when you run a free Discord.
Bro,
Can't afford
free
better
Discord. You
Wi-Fi.
gotta eat McDonald's when we're on a free Discord.
I can't
Braxton,
afford better Wi-Fi or eat more expensive food. I just can't. We're
Braxton,
running
you're a
up,
a free
healthy,
Discord.
Braxton's a healthy guy. Braxton, what do you think about Llama eating fast food like this?
Yeah, don't. Hey, look, I'm not healthy. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you.
You're not you eat fast food?
I eat fast food. I eat
Braxton.
fast food.
All
I'd
right,
be
ladies.
ashamed.
He looks like Michael B. Jordan, but he loves McDonald's. What is he? What is he?
I don't love McDonald's. I eat it from time to time. I'm
What
like in the middle. No, yesterday I had some salmon, some rice, and broccoli.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's not all McDonald's.
It's not all McDonald's.
No.
Bro, you have a wife. Stop trying to make yourself look better.
I'm not. I'm just.
Llama, why you shitting on him like that, bro?
I'm giving him words of advice. I didn't shit on him at all. Yo, tell me how. Look, you want to know what's crazy? Guess what I got through the mail?
McDonald's?
No, a fucking ticket for speeding in a fucking school zone, but it's a picture. How do they have a picture of me speeding?
Bro, they're
Doesn't
on
even
that
make
high
sense.
trade. They're on
I'm
that
from
high.
Kansas City, Athena. Kansas City, Missouri.
They're talking about I was going 63 and the school zone was 40 miles an hour. What type of school zone lets you go 40? Shit doesn't even make sense.
You need to figure something out. That don't sound right, Llama. Breaking the upside of orb here. This looks good. This
Never
long
seen
looking
this type of
good.
shit. Never have I ever seen something like that.
Let's see if this can pop up. Let's see if this can pop up. This is a good continuation right here.
Ooh,
Yeah,
llama. That is true. It might be fake. No, they got a picture of him. That's real.
No, they have a picture of my car with my license plate. But listen to this; it gets better. The ticket's only $100. So what type of speeding ticket's 100? I've gotten plenty, and they're way more.
Through a school zone too? There's no shot. That's 100, bro. That's a scam. That's a scam. Yeah, that's a scam. No. My wife literally just got a school zone speeding ticket. That bitch was $5.95.
Yeah, but did she get pulled over? Did they actually clock her?
Hell yeah. Pulled over. Fucking cop came up.
No,
And said,
that's what I'm saying. I didn't though.
My boy, you got a scam on your hands. But just in case, you should
Bro,
call the ticket clinic.
I don't think they have my car car make model everything. I remember I was in this location that day. Like this is my actual car. And I was in this location that day because I was hitting the bank right next to this location.
Is it like an upward view? Can you see the whole car perfect, like from like a street
camera?
The whole car. Look at that long break. There's the long break.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful 3-bar long break.
Weird.
The long is up 20 points since it broke out of that future strat number 3, continuation of future strat number 2. That long was looking so good. I could talk about it all day, every day. That long is looking juicy, baby.
Sounds like I'm pleading guilty. Hell yeah, I'm gonna pay this shit. You tripping for $100, bro? I'm not going to jail over $100, bro. I'll pay the fuck out of that shit.
You gotta make sure that's real though.
Yeah,
It's
you're not just
real,
gonna
bro.
But I'm saying, like, what if that's a new scam they got set up? They sit around
Bro,
school
these
zone.
guys deserve if they really scam me that good, they deserve $100.
Send me a picture of the front and back. Send me a
They gonna
picture of the
take
front
more
and
than
back.
100. They gonna take more than 100.
Mama, text me the picture of the front and back, bro.
This is real, Max. They sent it to my parents' crib and everything.
Up 25 points. 25 points.
This shit's real deal Holyfield, Max. I'm telling you.
Send me the pictures, my boy.
I just don't understand how they got a picture of me with my speed on it. Like, is there new cameras that do that now?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You don't know the cameras? There's cameras in Boca that got that shit too. All over the place.
Good. And this shit's
yeah,
real.
all over the place. Let me see. I'll tell you if it's real or not.
School zone safety program. Like, you're stupid ass out of here. For 100 though? Like, they really got me for 100? That's crazy. And I'll take it, bro. I got a speeding ticket in the school zone one time. That shit was like 450. And I was going like 5 over.
Who hit that stop field?
That was me.
You took that long?
I did.
My boy,
did.
you just got paid?
I did.
Braxton's a killer, bro. Braxton's a killer. Braxton, what the hell are you still doing up here, Braxton? You gonna have a good day. You just hit a trade. That was the winner. You still now you're over trading. You owe me push-ups. I caught your ass.
No. That's not an overtrade. I promise.
Yeah.
What was that? That was
drop down to 50.
Over trading, drop and give me 50. Drop and give me 50. Watch a potential another 3-bar. Watch a potential. Take this eye candy off stage now. No one can focus. All right, Athena. Braxton, say something to the crowd, especially to the ladies. They love Michael Braxton.
They love you. Right. God damn.
I appreciate y'all. This is the best Discord chat of all time, hands down. No lie. I've been in a couple. Trust me, I know.
My man.
This is where you want to be for sure.
My man. We appreciate you. Everyone give it up for Michael Braxton Jordan, my boy, MBJ. We'll see you, bro.
Ass up. Shut your ass up, boy. We're not waiting for that. We're not waiting for that. Shut your ass up, Braxton. You thought I didn't know what you was about to do? Shut your ass up.
I know that's right. Watching this now, Llama. This is a good area to potentially go long again right here. It's a good area to potentially go long again right here.
Still gotta take a trade on my fucking FFFs, bro. I need at least $200, and then I need tomorrow. I get a payout. Actually, no.
Watch this. SPX is looking hella juicy, my boy. NQ stalling out. There is a nice risk to reward trade here on the NQ top side. There is some good risk to reward here. We're seeing some wickedy lickety splits. Potential 3-bar. Unless this invalidates, this looks good for a continuation 3-bar.
My boys are dying for the chart, bro. You read the chat. Grab the course. You gonna know what's on the chart, my boy. God damn, y'all boys can't let me live.
And get ready. Final price target's gonna be 91 on that long. Watch the 91 break of that long on NQ. And we're gonna rode that thing for 50 points, baby. Just rode that thing for 50 points. Rode that thing like a fucking horse.
Like a war.
Dang, 91 on the dot. Final price target right there. Boom.
I know. Hell no. We're going up to 2050, guys. I've been saying this since Sunday.
Yeah, there's what's the next high? Is at 96. Here's a punch through. NQ is going.
Trust the boy when I tell you.
Oh yes. There it goes. Look at this. Breakthrough 20,000.
20,040, guys.
Who's in the long, baby? Who's in the long? Move your stop losses all the way up to like 88. Move your stop losses all the way up to like 88. There's a rejection. Oh, there's a rejection in the orb. Let's see how this works around this area. If this breaks back in the orb, I'm going to take a short. If this breaks below the previous candle, I'm going to scale into the short. Let's see what happens here on NQ SPX. If this SPX is future strat number 2. SPX is future strat number 2. I'm getting ready to flip short potentially, Llama.
I'm jumping in a buy there, Jimmy.
Let's see what happens on this candle closure.
But jumped in a buy there.
Oh, no,
Am I not logged in? I didn't.
What'd you say? You're trash?
I jumped in a buy there, my boy, but it logged me out of my shit because
big, my guy.
I'm up $50 times 4, 200. You know, I'm gonna let it ride. I'm really confident. 20,050.
Here we go. Hold on.
Scale another.
If SPX breaks this previous candle low, Llama, I'm doing it. The trend is looking a little flat. We may see a range. And this will probably be my last trade. You know, I've been just horsing around a little bit. You know, I've just been horsing around a little bit.
Only up 5 micros.
Five
I'm only in with
micros.
5 micros. I do
Micros.
want to see. I have 4 fibs that line up all the way up here. 4 of them.
SPX so bullish. So bullish, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This might be a 3 bar. This might be a 3 bar up if this thing don't fall. This might be a 3Z. Hold on. SPX did not get the candle closure I was looking for. This might be a
3
watch
here.
for that 3 bar. What the hell is that? What the hell?
Need to catch a 3Z here. If not, it's a cookie wookie. And I might just have to kill this.
If SPX breaks below 38, I'm gonna probably jump. There we go. Probably
Oh,
gonna
there's
try.
the wick. There's the
Oh
flip.
no time to jump. No time to jump.
Wick and a flip. I just need to go here. I just need a wick and a flip and a go ski, and I'm happy.
And Q showing some strength now, really like a magnet to that 20,000. And Q showing some strength
here. And I want to catch a scale is what I want to do.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. NQ, watch NQ for that break of orb. There's that NQ break of orb. This is officially a reversal candle. Hold on. Well, let's see how it closes. It's the next candle you want to get in on. It's never the candle you want to get on. It's the next candle that matters. The next candle can pop right back up.
See if it pops me out or not. First
there we
trade.
Go. That's an official reversal candle.
See if it pops me out or my stop should be under this way.
See that thing?
20 points stop loss.
SPX.
It's right at my EMA.
If SPX drops all the way back down to orb, oh, this is a printer right here. This is a printer right here.
Flip.
This is a printer. Let's see what happens
here.
And Q showing some strength. Oh, there's a drop. There's a drop. There's a big drop. SPX heading back down to orb, and Q showing some strength. But I'm up. I'm up, Llama. We up 800.
I'm cooked. I'm down 40 points. I mean 40 ticks.
Oh, you're in the long?
Yeah, I'm in the long.
Up 13. I'm up 13. I'm going to move my stop loss to the top of orb. We're going to lock in those big profits no matter what. Very wickedy.
I just don't like my stop is right at an EMA line.
And Q gets ready to flush. I mean, this thing's going to go. This thing could go.
It can go, though. This wick and flip looks really good for me.
Just stop me out right there. Just stop me out right there. No biggie.
Tapped my entry at 93. Just tapped it and wicked up.
Oh, it looks good for a continuation, possibly down. That short was looking good, boy. There it goes. That short was looking good. And SPX still falling. Still falling. Yeah. Yeah. Why is everyone bugging about Llama's screen?
Oh, I still don't have my screen up. LOL. My God, these guys are dying for my screen. Give me a break.
Out about this screen, bro. They are freaking out about this screen.
Oh, I'm rolling.
Hold on, that's a 3Z down, Llama. You're tripping.
3Z, yeah. No, I partialed out. I partialed out just off that flip.
That's a 3Z, my boy. You're bugging. You're bugging. There it goes. There's the newer low almost. Oh, give me the newer low. Come on.
No need to fear.
There it goes. Llama's bugging. Llama's a bug.
Vibing here, still vibing. In profit, bro. Built in at 77.
SPX has got some bounce. I mean, these NQ bounces are strong. I'm
filled at 77. Really don't have bad entry.
The 3 bar looks good. And I'm tapped out right there. Final profit on the day, 9,300. Pass the FFF account. A little something. I'm done trading, bro. Put on a fucking clinic.
You know, if we go here, we're looking good here. Oh, yeah, we're looking good here.
I'm done. Get real. Big Daddy put on a fucking clinic.
If we can go from here, I'm solid right now.
I'm gonna maybe I should load up another account there one day to pass for only 24 hours with Funded Futures family. So who knows?
Oh yeah, looking good here, my boy.
Get it, Llama. Let's see that 20,000 test. Llama. Damn, I'm done. What's up, everybody? Panthers won. Big Daddy Max just grinded 9,000 live.
Up 80 ticks. Oh no, what just happened? Did it pull me out?
You're up 80 ticks, but I can't see your chart.
Popped me out. I trailed it too close.
Remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We are not fucking financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. Llama, you wind up trading the fundeds? The long.
It popped me out. I trailed them too close. My TPTs are still in and they're up big. I'm up 1,700 on the TPTs. I might even pay myself.
We are entertainers filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. And
that pop and let that go. Fuck, I can't believe I trailed that close on my fundeds, bro. Oh, this is
Guys,
gonna be going. This is the break that's going to where I wanted it to. I'm letting these 5 micros run on the TPTs.
run, baby. Let it run. Let
Yeah,
it go, baby. Go. There you go, Llama. There you go, Llama. You cooking, my boy. Jeez, you cooking, my boy.
Just so people know it's live, I can just pull it
Hey, show me
over.
another flash. Show him a quick one. Show him one more. Show him one more. Show him one more. Up 200 with micros. Up 200 account with micros.
And just in case, if you think this is a fake screenshot, I'll just drag it over to.
Bro, it's live. We can see that it's live.
Nah, there's always those, there's always those people. 2040 is what I want to see. I'm just gonna go under that candle, bro, because this shit. I have 2 accounts on buffer right now. 2 pros on buffer. I don't even pulled me out, bro. That was my trade. So sickening, bro.
You did a great job, my friend. We put on a fucking. I went berserk today. I'm
gonna trail at 410. If this candle goes, I'm just going right under that candle. Matter of fact, what am I doing?
You know
I'm
what
up
the problem
500.
is? You know what the problem is with most people is y'all are watching the llama trade 5 micros per account. 5 micros per
Up
account. He's
100.
running, bro.
I'm up
You're up
200
damn.
ticks.
Oh shit, my boy, you're
Look,
up
this
big.
is 5 micros, and I'm up 200 ticks, which means 5
Yeah, you got-
micros is 200 ticks. I'm up
you
50
got that
points.
nasty entry, my guy. Bro, it's crazy to me that everyone's watching llama trade 5 micros, and y'all are in here trying to trade 3 to 5 minis like me and get fucking cooked on your accounts. And
I'll get pulled out here.
and
Trading
you
at
watching a
219, I got
guy
pulled out.
trade on
I got
funded
pulled out.
accounts to make that Skrilla.
I got pulled out.
Bro,
Oh
we
man,
win too much, bro. We win too much. I might need to start charging. I'll be
I
honest,
might need to start eating my McGriddles.
Llama, I might need to fucking put a little monthly price on this. This is getting crazy, my boy.
I've been
Production,
trying to
what's the
tell
streak
you,
at?
bro.
Production,
I've been
what's the
trying,
streak
bro.
at? What are
We've
we
done
at?
all this for free, Max. This has all been for free.
This is
Giving
literally
out 55 bands for free. That's all my trading profits. I'm still broke. I have to eat McDonald's.
crazy.
Tapped out for 50 points, 200 ticks. Look what we rejected. Fib level.
Fib to fib, my boy. The ore break, everything was.
How to just erase all this shit. I hate showing all my
71
shit.
and 2. We are 71 and 2. A
Getting rid of all this shit,
37-day
bro.
win streak, and we've given away $54,895 in prizes. $54,895 in prizes.
Know what time it is? I'm gonna break that hash brown and
I thought
throw
we
it
broke
in the
55.
McGree.
Wait a minute. I thought we broke 55.
Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I thought we broke 55 too.
Oh, we broke 55. Congratulations on that. 55,000. We gave
Did I
away
not get no
55,000.
I get no betcha?
There we go. $55,065.
Real
55,000.
question is where the baddies at? Yo, why am Llama be bricked up, bro?
Bro, shut your fat ass up.
You're not lying though. You're not lying though.
That llama's
Bro,
been out of. I mean,
that was a
Spanish llama.
snipe, bro. I got in at
he's been out of
70,
control.
bro. What a snipe. Low was 75. I got in at 77. Bro.
Crazy, my bro. Crazy.
Right here, when you said it was 3 barring, I'm like, I hope it fails, and I just jumped.
Hey, I reacted. You want to hear something cool, Loma? I did a reaction video of this chick a couple months back, and she sent me a DM on Twitter, and she was like, I really appreciate that react. It got me a bunch of followers, and my shit's been going good since. I was like, that's great to hear. Good for you. It was a good video. And she said, I have a merch company. I want to send you some merch. I'm like, all right, send it to my, I'll send it to the
6XL.
Bro, she sent me a shirt. This shit's actually pretty fire. Hold on. It's a shirt that Llama would wear. It's definitely a shirt that Llama would wear.
There's a 46. I would be looking for myself from up here.
Look at this shirt, bro. Look at the shirt. It's got this little picture. It's got EYTH.
Ooh. What does that mean?
She told me what it means. I said, what the fuck is EYTH? Chat, moderators, ban the guy Sammy who's been spamming what is your broker for the last 5 minutes. Ban him.
Don't worry, I'm on it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
Get him out of here. Like
you're fucking banned. Everyone got to speed up. Fucking
grow
idiots.
the fuck up. The guy
fucking
just
idiot.
literally wrote it 15 times in the last 5 minutes. Grow the fuck up.
I banned him already.
Christ.
I was quick on that when you saw that.
He's clearly a very immature retard. So the front means, he said EYTH means elevate yourself through hustle.
I like
got
that.
Got the little bull in the bear shield. And then this is what she wrote on the back. I thought this was fire. And look, they got this. Bro, when I tell you this shirt is thick too, Llama, this is like some designer shit. This is some designer shit. But it says on the back,
Hold up.
It says, we planted the seeds. Now watch the profits grow.
I like that stuff.
That's some llama type shit, right? I mean, that's pretty fire. Elevate yourself through hustle. We planted the seeds. Now watch the profits grow. That's a pretty fire shirt she sent me. So big shout out to Chelsea G. Hold on, what's her name? Chels. Big shout out to Chels. You got some fire ass merch, my girl. She said it also has a special place for me. The 8 meanings also mean success, power, ambition, growth. When turned to the side, also infinity, which is a double play on growth and opportunities. I'm from Hawaii. We have 8 islands, and these 8 words mean something. Like, okay.
Max, you want to see some crazy shit?
You re-entered the long and you got them bangers? Let me see it. What you got,
No,
my boy?
no. Watch my screen.
I don't know. That girl Chels.
I want to make sure it's not showing.
Hold on, but this is what she sent my wife. Hold on. This is what she sent my wife. I gotta find this. This is funny. Hold on. Now that shirt she sent me was pretty fire. But then she sent my wife. She said, "What size is wifey?" So I said, "Well, wifey ain't that big." So she sent me. Look at what she sent my wife. This is what threw me off a little bit. Bad bitches get money.
Right.
Bad bitches get money. Which I was like, okay, that's pretty fire. But and then she's got these little hoochie. I don't know what you guys call these. I call these coochie cutters. You know what a coochie cutter is? Bro, you are so locked into the trade, my boy. I've never seen you so.
I'm not in a trade. I'm editing something.
Editing these nuts. So the back of the coochie cutters, look at these little coochie cutters. Say bad bitches get money.
Yo, that's fire.
The front of the coochie cutters say,
look at
take
this.
Profit. Take profit.
A trader? Code BDM?
The front of the coochie cutters say, take profit.
Look at this.
I'm about to put them on.
Where's the Futures One students? And look at the date on this. Look at the price target. I'm gonna go get ketchup. I'll catch up.
Bro, you showing too much sauce on that chart, my boy.
Am I really? Oh, nah, that's not a big deal. I don't care.
All right. That's pretty wild. So what's up, everybody? We got 900 people left. Had a wonderful day. Wonderful day.
You see this, Max? Do you see this?
What's up, my boy?
I called this level out 600 points ago, 5 days ago.
Yeah, you're nasty with it.
I called that shit out on Sunday. That we're coming to this level on Sunday.
You're nasty with it, my boy. Everyone got their accounts from yesterday? We're all caught up on account giveaways.
Yeah, my shits went through. Everything I gave away went through. I called that level out on Sunday. You know what that is?
He is
fucking crazy, bro.
2 days ago. Okay, my boy.
Oh, they're going to Sunday. Yeah, Monday morning. Yeah, because I did my analysis on Sunday. And I let y'all know we going to 20K Monday. I let y'all know. I let Futures 1 on Sunday.
Bro, we snapped today. Oh shit, we popped off today. We popped off today.
My boy Nasik said send him a beat.
Oh yeah, where's that boy Nasik at? He's supposed to make me some dope ass music. Where the fuck is Nasik at? Oh, nasty. My boy, you're nasty. You're nasty work. Llama.
I could cry eating this shit.
You could cry?
Alright, bro.
Llama.
That ass cry eating this shit.
Nasty work, my boy. I can't believe you eating that shit, to be honest. And your old lady be giving you this. I'm about to text her right now.
She's gonna come home. She's gonna see the bag and she'll be like, "You really ate that without me?"
Damn, she gets nasty on it too. Chat, listen.
Yeah.
Now that all the other Discord owners are gone, nothing we do is financial advice. We are not financial advisors, but I'm telling y'all, if you want to learn how we trade and you don't want to look at the fucking llama's chart anymore, dumbasses, invest in your own education.
You saw that today?
Bro, crazy begging. Invest in your own education. Check out the Futures One course. Check out the Futures course. Check out Llama's course. Check it out. Just go check it out. And don't spam my chat like a child. You will be gone. Don't try and come in here recruiting. You will be gone. Scamming, shamming, spamming, DMing. Don't be doing none of that shit here. You act like we don't have the most loyal fucking fans in the world. We got the most loyal we do this shit for free, so people are loyal. So the second y'all try to spam, scam, and recruit, we get that DM just as fast as you guys do. My moderators, boy, we got eyes on deck. Stop trying to fucking come around Max Options Trading, the Big Daddy morning show, and trading some bullshit, talking about some bullshit. But seriously, you need to check out the courses and the free Discord and all the everything. Look at this pop up llama. Beautiful, bro. What a trend. Beautiful trend. Absolutely gorgeous. I sold them puts again, boy. Absolutely gorgeous. We killed it. We killed it. We killed it. And if there's another trading group out there that you guys hear that's a paid Discord that's doing free giveaways now, you're welcome. They're giving away accounts and prop accounts and money and everything, you're welcome. You see guys on win streaks. You see people talking about win streaks. Oh, we're on a big win streak. We're on a heater. That's because they're fucking taking my shit, my orb. You're welcome. You're welcome. You see motherfucking You guys see people streaming with 2 people on the stream like this now? You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Me and Llama, everybody wants to
I'll
be
tell you
the
one
king.
thing.
Everybody wants to be the motherfucking king. Hey, my boy Llama called it. I'm not gonna lie. My boy, I rode the first couple trades down, and I rode the break up. And I got funded. Llama held that motherfucker, boy. That's why he's the llama.
I'll tell you one thing. When I kept saying price at 950 can go 100 points is because I was targeting 2050. When I said I want to see 850 get hit and it hit 858 and I missed my entry, and I said it can go 200 points, it was because I was targeting this. I had this as a target since Sunday. But what I was gonna say before you reminded me on that is this trading industry is full of guys with ego. I have had 3 different partners or 2 different partners before this, and everyone has an ego. Nobody in the trading industry has a co-host like this where it's 2 people trading live. Nobody does that because all these guys have an ego. So now people are going to start doing this shit because it's what's popping.
I suffered ego death long time ago, my boy. There ain't no motherfucking ego. I'm just good. I'm just Himothy. But ego death, I suffered that loss. I took that loss a long time ago. Yeah, DMT. That's right. That's exactly right. Llama, did you know I've done DMT?
No, really?
When I was in college. All right, story time. Here, who wants a Big Daddy Max story time? So, Big Daddy Max here. I was in college, Llama, and for some reason, I had it in my head.
If you dropped out of high school?
I dropped out of high school in 9th grade. I got my GED in October in 2007, and I went to college at 17 years old. And then I did a year in college before I got kicked out. So I got my GED and I moved in with my brother who went to college, and I was at it's called Val State, Valencia Community College in Orlando.
Went to Valencia.
You went to Val State?
I got kicked out.
I got kicked out too.
In Orlando?
Yeah.
Bro, I got kicked out first semester. 5 Fs, 4 Fs.
Yeah, I had actually got straight A's. I had straight A's for the first time in my life. I had just done a bunch of fucking Xanax and went out drinking the night before my finals and missed every one of them.
Yeah. Bro, I had a Xanax too.
3 o'clock. I slept till 3 o'clock. Woke up, missed every single one of my finals. By 5 p.m., failed. Yep. I went to Val State in Orlando, but listen, so when I was out Val State, I was living off of Alafaya Club, Alafaya and State Road 50. That's where I live. I lived right off 50 in Alafaya in the Alafaya Club. My wife lived down in the building next to me, so we were living in the Alafaya Club. And right down the hallway from me, we met these dudes, and they were straight like hippies. Straight hippies. They were selling shrooms, bud. Everything you get your hands on, bro. So these dudes, they come knocking on my door one day, and they were cool as fuck. And I'm like, "What's up, bro?" They're like, "Man, we got some shit, some DMT, and we're just doing some whippets and DMT, and we know you said you wanted to try everything once, so we got an extra bowl for you." And I was like, "For real?" I was like, "That's crazy." I'm like, "Yo, I appreciate that." I was 17 years old and so fucking dumb. So we're going in there. They're like, "All right, before we go in, the room is the whole house. They had ice buckets. They're like, we got to keep it at like 65. So they had like ice buckets all around the house with ice bags, and they had the air all the way down. They're like, it's pitch black in there. And it's 65. So you just go sit on the couch and be chill. Don't say a word because they're tripping in the back on the DMT, and you don't want to ruin the trip. It could cause them to get into a panic. They could start getting paranoia and anxiety. So I'm like, no. So I'm like, all right. So I go in the house. They're like, sit on the couch, relax. They're like, here, hit this can real quick. Bro, I hit a fucking whippet for the first time in my life.
How's that feel?
Bro, it's like the real, you know what it's like? It's like the opposite of a helium balloon. You hit a helium balloon and you're talking like this. No,
you're not.
Bro, you hit the whippet, bro. I'm telling you, my heartbeat slowed down. It went do. And I'm hearing people talking to me, and he's like, "How you feeling?" And I'm just like,
I'm tweaking.
I'm cold as fuck, dog. You got it cold as a motherfucker up in here.
Yeah.
And then it lasts like, I think it lasted like 20 seconds. I think it was like 20, 30 seconds. And then I come back and I'm like, yo, that was fucking crazy. I don't know if I want to do that again. Thank you very much. I'll take some water now.
Right.
And then we're chilling. And then, bro, I start getting anxious. They're like, you're up, Big Daddy Max. Back then they didn't call me Big Daddy Max. They're like, Max, you're up. So I go in the back room. They're like, all right, lay on the bed. Just sit on the bed. They're like, they had bought like plush pillows around the whole bed. They're like, just lay in the bed. We're gonna close the door. He's like, I'm gonna light it for you. And he's like, just relax, sit down. And I'm like, all right. He lights this bowl. And he's like, take a hit. And he's like, you gotta hold it for 1 minute or as long as you can. So I rip this bowl and I hold it. And then I'm sitting there. I didn't make it a minute, probably like 25 seconds. And he's like, and he's all right, sit back. So I sit back on the bed, bro. My boy has posters on the wall that are glow in the dark posters. I'm not even kidding you, Llama. I've tried shrooms. I've rolled. I've done I've done everything you can fucking think of because I wanted to try it all once. I wanted to try everything once. I tried everything. This is the only thing in my life. When I hit this DMT, Llama, the motherfucking posters jumped out of the wall at me and was just like, jumped out of the wall, bro. And I was just like this. I'm like, oh my God. And then they start fucking just sitting there and they're just chilling. I'm telling you, I was really hallucinating for the first time. Really like hallucinating. So I was like, damn. So I'm sitting there. I'm like, all right, I'm chilling. But I was anxious beforehand. So then I'm sitting there. I start laughing. I can't help it. I just start laughing uncontrollably. So I'm laughing. The fucking skeletons are all sitting there laughing. That jumped out of the wall. And we're all sitting here just laughing. And then something happened where the door opened. Like someone creeped open the door, and once I saw it, it set me in a panic.
Kind of heart attack. Yeah.
I saw a little light, and I was like, so I tried to run, but I forgot I was on a bed. So I stood up and I fucking went to running, bro. I just ran, face planted right off the bed. And now at this point, everyone in the house is looking down the hallway. The door's cracked open. I'm on the floor like this, and they're like, what the fuck is going on? And I'm just dying laughing because all of them are just spinning and shit. And I just laughed. And then I think I laid there for, about 12 minutes just laughing hysterically. And then the whole house was laughing because they're like, this is the craziest thing we've ever seen. I'm pretty sure I had a concussion as well, but that was it. So it was just the craziest trip of my life, the craziest fucking thing, because it was like real. You know, people talk about, oh, I ate mushrooms, bro, and I saw all these patterns and all these things, and it was the best experience. That's a fucking lie. You're gay, and they're trying to make it sound greater than it was. But that fucking DMT, salvia too. Salvia is crazy. Bro, remember they used to sell salvia in packs at the fucking gas station when I was living in the Pizzle. When I was in Port St. Lucie, bro, when I was in the Pizzle, they used to sell salvia in little fucking packs. You remember that fake weed that they used to sell? It was bro, that shit was spice, bro. They were spelling spice. Yeah, you smoke a little spice, like all right, then you'll try a little salvia, bro. Salvia is crazy. But that's nothing. That's nothing like the DMT. Yeah, not DMT. Bro, y'all remember Spice? What the fuck was that?
They used to have this shit when I was a kid. They called it Zoot Juice. And it was liquid spice that you would put in the vape. And it was for people to be able to pass drug tests. We were like 15 smoking that shit, bro. It was
yeah, bro. That shit was wild. You had a good time. Now doing drugs is so dangerous, bro, because these fucking people put and cut and, you know, the rise of fentanyl and dirty drugs. Like when I was a kid, you know, 20 years ago, we didn't have to worry about none of that shit. We didn't worry about none of that shit. You went and got yourself some shit and you just popped it and had a great night. There was no worry about like, you know, people I lost a lot of friends who got on I lost a lot of friends to blues. I had actually 4 childhood friends who passed away on blues, oxy, heroin. Good families. Good. They just got hooked on that shit and fucking woke up dead one day.
Bro, imagine I'm like almost 10 years younger than you, and I got like 5 friends that passed away to blues.
Yeah, bro. I think everybody who grew up with a lot of friends growing up always has that one. But blues fuck Florida up, bro.
Yeah,
blues is synthetic heroin. Blues is synthetic heroin. They give it to you as synthetic heroin to help drug addicts get off of the shit. But then they just get caught up on it, bro. It's crazy work.
Blues are
it's a sad life, bro. It's a sad life. But you know what? I don't fucking care about no drug addict. I tell you right now, I think drug addicts are the worst people on earth. I think they're the worst type of person, bro.
You know something? You know some crazy shit? I had a homeboy. We're still friends. But the last time I cared about a drug addict was, I want to say maybe like 7-8 months ago. one of my boys ends up telling me how addicted he is to these blues. I thought he was popping maybe a blue a day. It got to the point he was popping 7 to 8 blues a day.
Right.
And it got to the point, and you know why it is that he was selling the blues. So he would always have a bunch on him. You know what I did, bro? Blues, first of all, blues are expensive. They're like $30 a pill. He was popping like 7 a day, but he was selling them, so it wasn't a big deal. I bought all of them. He had 70 blues. I bought all of them, and I flushed them down the toilet, thinking he would stop. That boy got back on the blues next week. 2 bands down the toilet.
Bro, you ain't never gonna stop it. You ain't never gonna stop a drug addict, my boy. My boy went re-up. Yep.
That boy hit the re-up. That boy hit the re-up.
That boy hit a re-up.
No, for sure. I bought all his blues off of him and flushed them, and he went and fucking re-upped and right back on the blues.
Nick, why are you posting border and protection numbers? Why does production have fucking border protection numbers up?
Dumbass. I don't know.
Because no more fent over border. Drugs are safer. This dude is a fucking clown. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. The drug world is fucking wild like that. Obviously, I don't do no drugs. I don't drink. I don't smoke cigarettes. No nicotine. No nothing. I'm as pure.
Bro, it's crazy. It's hard for me to kick the vape, bro. I can't kick that shit.
You gotta get rid of that vape. That vape's disgusting, my boy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that shit is disgusting, my boy. I don't know how you fucking. I quit smoking cigarettes. I smoked cigarettes for 10 years. And then you know what got me to quit smoking cigarettes? Bald Dan, his daughter, my niece, Lily, she kept fucking cigarette shaming me, calling me disgusting, nasty, I'm gross, don't talk to her because I stink. She like started cigarette shaming me and started pissing me off. So I went and got a vape, and I smoked a vape for 2 days, and I found out that my body can't take vape. You know, there's some people, Llama, I smoke a vape and it clogs my lungs. My lungs don't break down the vapor. It just turned into like sticky, gooky shit on my fucking lungs. I had to go to the hospital for breathing treatments, and I was just coughing up this nasty, white, thick, like liquid, and it was just clogged vape juice in my fucking lungs. So 2 days of that, I quit smoking forever. That was the last time I smoked in my life. I mean, no, wow. I've had a cigar at a wedding or something like that. Right. When my
can't go wrong with a little gar.
I have a cigar with the boys on like special occasions. My wedding night.
With like a little gar.
Right. But I don't inhale that shit. I just sit there and
I've inhaled a few of them here and there, you know. A gar.
Yo, people that inhale cigars, that's a fucking nasty boy. That's a nasty breed. I have
videos ghosting a cigar.
You're a disgusting person. You're a disgusting person.
You know who got me to stop smoking cigarettes, bro? You know what's crazy? My girl, 10 years ago. I was 17 smoking a pack a day, and I met her 10 years ago, and she was like, that's a no-go.
Cigarettes are nasty as fuck, bro. I hate the fact that I smoked. I got this real sexy voice now. I didn't used to have this kind of voice, Llama. My voice used to be real high pitched, but now I got this because
I got that sexy voice.
My throat is absolutely fucking destroyed because my throat is so fucked up. I know that's right. Did we give away an account today?
No, we got to bring someone up.
We got to bring who up? We're all caught up. You got the accounts from yesterday already done?
My email.
How about Rasta Man? Where's Rasta Man?
How about our boy Rasta
Man? Rasta Man got his free account yesterday at noon. And by 6 p.m., he blew the account. Where's my boy Rasta Man? He blew the account in 6 hours and then fucking messaged the moderators like, "What's up? Can I get a reset?"
Yeah, I can't find my email. Prohibited trading.
Yeah, my boy, poor Rasta Man. He fucking he blew the account in 6 hours and then said, "Let me get a reset."
Yeah, both accounts transferred, bro. I sent Rasta's account out yesterday, and he popped it yesterday.
Bro, he messaged us. He said a crazy thing just happened. My account's negative 7,300. He's and then Logan goes, so you already blew the account, laughing my ass off. He's like, I feel you, bro, but like the account's blown. What do you want me to do? That's your fault, my guy. Like, what do you want us to do? He's like, just seeing if y'all can help me out. Hit me with a reset.
Hit me with a little reset, my bros.
I thought you was gonna hit me with a little reset. My boy, you blew the account in 6 hours.
You know what's funny? It says here it got transferred at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, so
So he
literally
really had
okay,
4 hours to blow it and blew it.
7 by the time he logged in, I mean, it was probably like 15 minutes. Yeah, he hit 15 minis and went long and just got popped. So wild, wild work. Let's get someone up here. All right, here we go. We're giving away a free count. We're giving away a free count. You must be verified. You must be verified in the server. You must have a camera and a mic. If you don't have a camera and a mic, you cannot win the Big Daddy Morning Show. Llama, look at this long, my boy.
Going.
Llama screamed
Long
it from
is
the
going.
mountaintops. We're gonna go so rippity dippity splickety bullish today. Llama killed it. Yo, we snapped today, bro. I made almost 10 bands. Paper money. I made 10,000 paper dollars. I'm a fake. I'm a scammer. I'm a furu. I'm a furu. I made 10,000 fake dollars. Get that random number generator going, boy. We got 600 people in this job. Number
Rolling
23. The Mad Safa. Mad Safa. Come on up, Mad Safa. His profile says, he said yes. He lifts, trades, makes this money. Mad Safa. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Yo, what's up,
What's
man?
going? How you doing? You know the show.
Good.
Camera's on, or you got to go.
2 seconds.
There he is, the Mad Safa.
Mad
What's up,
Safa.
How's it? How you doing?
Who's the long neck guy in your profile?
Oh, that's just some
Is
AI
that
generated
AI
thing
you?
on my data.
That's
AI,
AI
man.
you. Stand up.
AI
You got
me,
a really,
man.
you got a big neck.
I don't know if I do that. It's a big neck, man.
Hold on. Look at your neck, and then would you be willing to donate half of that to Llama? Because Llama lost his neck back in 1997, and we haven't seen it since. So seriously, we're looking for Llama's neck. We may have just found it. We may have just found it.
I got extra neck.
Mad
Remember when
Safa,
he
where are
said,
you from?
remember when he said I
I'm
got a
South
piece of
African,
neck?
mate. I'm from Cape Town.
You're in Cape Town right now?
No, I'm in Ukraine right now, actually.
In Ukraine, what are you doing there?
Just a bit of work, you know.
Are you fighting?
No, I just help training the guys out there.
Very cool. Contract trainer?
Are you fighting?
Very cool. I got some boys who enlisted in the Ukraine army, and they're just addicted to war. That's not like a fake thing. I'm sure Logan does too. I have a bunch of my homies that were infantry guys that were just like, I'm going. Like,
Yeah, I had a mate as well. He went in fought as well. Luckily, he
Yeah.
got out. He didn't die, which is good.
Right? Yeah. My buddy's I think he's going back for his like sixth, seventh tour. He don't give a fuck. That's
Yeah,
South
man.
Africa, living in Ukraine, and you're watching the Big Daddy Morning Show. That's pretty badass. Do you trade?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm trading right now, man. It's going pretty well. To be fair, I got in at all break high, and I'm still in it.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
nice.
You took the OR break high and you're letting it run?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
good shit.
I use once it's broken the orb high, mate. I try and use fib extensions to try and like see the levels of where it's gonna go and like previous
Very
liquidity
nice.
levels.
A little
Doing
bit of
well,
Max, a little bit of Llama. Pretty damn good.
Yeah, I've been watching a show for like the last 2 weeks. It's fucking sick, man. It's really good.
Oh yeah, we appreciate that. That's fucking
Hey.
badass. We got a guy in Ukraine. Fucking. All right, let me ask you something. Are you
Yeah, man.
single?
No, I'm engaged, eh?
Oh, you are engaged. Well, engaged in the
Um,
United States is not a real status, so technically you're single.
Technically.
Man, we're buddies from across the pond as well, man. I was in the British Army, airborne.
You were in the fucking airborne?
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah. My
Free
boy's a
pass.
paratrooper. Mary in the chat, she is, she is gonna get a
Oh.
mop here soon. She's got to get a cleanup on aisle Mary. Yeah, she is looking at him like a fucking snack. He's just saying all the right things. He trades. He's holding for a long time. He's profitable. He's jacked. He's got an accent. I mean, she is literally fucking falling apart right now.
Yeah, man.
Probably just scream.
You guys are funny, man. You guys are cool. I like your shirt.
Appreciate that. Yeah, we try to be as humorous and fun as possible while filming because trading is stressful as fuck for a lot of people, and it doesn't gotta be. It doesn't gotta be.
No, it doesn't, man. No, it's been rough, man. I started in crypto and that was terrible. Now I'm just trading futures. So
Yeah, you were trading what?
I was in crypto, mate, but that's been dropped off. Crypto's a scam, man.
Okay. Bringing it back. I was about to fucking. Okay, we're good. We're good.
No,
Hey,
no,
we're
no,
good. Hey, we're good here. We're good. Yeah, crypto is hot dog shit. I'd rather drag my balls through a mile of broken glass than trade cryptocurrency for a day, to be honest with you, because I think it's the dumbest shit ever. It's
Nice.
absolutely terrible. Well, let me ask you this, Mad Safa. What is that some kind of term, like a South African term? Like if you call someone a Mad Safa? Or is that just
So
your name?
yeah. Safa is a term for South African, but I think Mad's just based on my personality.
Right, just mad. So Safa is like you would call a South African.
Yeah.
Safa. Hell yeah.
It's-
Has he worked with who? Logan?
Reed.
Reed. What's
like,
RED?
what? Like one guy named Reed?
South African contract group named Reed.
No.
No.
I
Logan,
work,
Logan,
I live
shut the
in
hell up,
I live
Logan.
in the UK, so I haven't lived in South Africa for about 12 years.
He hasn't
Or
lived there
whatever
in 12 years. Shut your mouth, Logan. Not everything's about Afghanistan. He's
that-
institutionalized. This guy's like in fucking Pogs. Like he's talking Pogs. Fuck you, Pogs. I know that's right. I know that's right. Do you know what a Pog is, Llama?
a POM?
Yeah,
Pog.
yeah, yeah.
P-O-G. Yeah.
We went
P-O-G.
over it one
Oh,
time.
no, is
Means
that very?
you're not a grunt, Llama. Means you're
Means you're
not a
not a
grunt.
grunt. Yeah.
Oh, is
Yeah.
that a term for grunts in the US?
In the U.S. Marine Corps, if you're not a grunt, if you're not an infantryman, they call you a POG. Just like when you're a paratrooper in the Army, we call
Airborne.
the rest of the Army legs. We call them lesser effective ground troops.
We call them hats, mate.
Hats. What's HAT stand
Yeah.
for?
Hats or ramps. Ramps is rear echelon motherfuckers.
Rear echelon motherfuckers. I know that's right. POG. It's a POG.
Pog. I like it, man. That's cool.
What the fuck are they saying? Poog.
Poog.
I guess it depends on where you're from. I call it a fucking POG. Eat my ass. I'll say whatever I want.
Eat your ass. Crazy.
Matt Safa, are you aware of the game?
Yeah, I've watched your game a few times, to be fair, yeah.
We're gonna play the game. And just in case you guys out there don't know, we play the game, and you can win a free 50K account every single stream with us this month. Every single stream this month. We haven't broken yet, and we've given away over $55,000 in prizes. And how the game works, the Big Daddy game, is me and Llama are gonna ask you a series of 3 questions. It could be any 3 questions in the world. Could be about trading or not about trading, and then if you get it right, you
We
win
got a
a
Trump
free
candle.
50K TPT count.
Look at this candle, Max. 11:15.
Oh, that
Holy
candle
shit, a
just
Trump
killed it.
candle.
That was 100 points.
Yeah, it was a big drop.
Oh, 30
Almost
points.
hit CP there as well.
Very nice.
A very aggressive candle. Holy smokes.
That was a
It
nice one.
was.
You still holding that trade, Matt Safa?
Still holding the trade. I was like a few pips away from take profit, and now it's all right. It's all right. I'll be in the green still. It's good. It's
Pretty
good.
bad. How much are you up, and what are you trading?
M&Q, 5 accounts, 3 contracts per account, like micros. Up. I went down actually at the start of the day when I was trying to when you guys were starting to like scalp. I was down $300 on each account, and I'm back up to $300 up on all accounts. So
Nice swings. Good job on 3 micros. That's solid work, brother. That's good shit.
yeah.
Good shit. Very nice. Good. Very good. I would say, yeah, when you take that profit, man, you get ready to take that profit, close it out, call it a day, baby. 300 up on 5 accounts, 1,500. That compounds very nicely. $7,500 week right there. Love
Yeah,
that.
I mean, I
Love
started
that. Good
trading
shit.
the orb strategy at the start of last month, and yeah, I mean, I use that Tradeovate to track everything, and it's good, man. It's the progression and stuff from your guys trading, and obviously the strategies and stuff is fire.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go. Let's go. And this thing is ripping right now. Good shit. Let's go. All
It's
right.
ripping.
Well, we're gonna get ready to play the game, and I feel like you might get to hit take profit while we're playing. You ready to play?
Yeah. Let's give it a go.
What are you currently trading? TPT? What are you trading right now?
Apex.
Apex accounts?
Yeah, Apex accounts, trade and using Tradeovate.
Oh yeah, badass. Don't forget, guys. Funded Futures family got 1 day to pass until tomorrow. All right, let's get it going. Let's get it fucking going. First question, Llama.
First question. South African living in Ukraine. How long have you been trading?
Ask him
Futures
the question that the
in
guy just
general?
posted in the chat. Well, ask him that question that guy just said. Ask him that question, Llama.
Which one?
I don't know.
I got-
It sounds dirty.
There's so
Has
many-
he have you ever called a black African a
No.
He
No.
seems he seemed very uncomfortable, and he kind of laughed when he first read it. What does that mean?
So it's like super, like it's bad, man. It's like the most, I don't know, the worst thing you can call. I don't know. He's the worst thing you can call someone, to be honest. Like from that race.
So it's like the
It's like
African
you
equivalent.
say that and you start running like that scene from Pirates of the Caribbean when he's trying to get away from those cannibals, man.
So they're coming after you. So
They're coming
if you
after
call
you.
if you call an African guy that a black African guy, it's on. You're fighting on sight.
You're on. Yeah. They'll start. Everyone will start swinging straight away.
Wow.
My
Dang. I know. The more you learn, the more you learn. Llama, what was your question? Wait a minute. Does that mean Llama just ripped it on stream? Does that mean Llama just?
Yeah, did I just say it?
Was that? Oh yeah, he did, didn't he?
He said Oli. Yeah, he did, didn't he?
That's
Whoopsie.
Lama lost half his viewers, man.
Whoopsie. My bad,
Oh,
guys.
man.
I think I might just hit TP. Yeah.
There you go. You got to be a TP, right?
Yeah, hit 1 TP. Feb extension 2.38.
Congratulations. Good fucking job, man. You're killing it.
Nice, very nice. Yeah, production, cut that out. My question, we're gonna keep it very simple. What's the capital of the United States?
Capital of the, oh man,
That's a good question.
Oh my days.
that's a good question.
What is the capital city of the United States of America?
It's not New York.
New York.
Wow.
No, it's not.
Wow.
New York.
It's not New York.
Washington. Isn't it Washington DC?
Washington,
Yeah.
D.C. or Washington State?
Oh, now we're going into antics, man.
It's two different things. Washington, D.C. or state.
Oh, let's go Washington DC.
He got it right. He got it right, Llama. He got it right. Dang, sweating that one. Sweating that one. All right. So you're living in you said you're from London now, basically, right? You've been living in the UK?
I live in Wales. I don't know if you know where it is, the west side of the UK.
I am a man of culture, my friend. I've been to almost every country in Europe.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Up in the Wales, very nice. Very cool. Okay. Next question. He's in the nice part. He's in the very nice part. Next question. What's your football team? Teb wants to know, what's your football team?
I'm more of a rugby player, to be fair. And football is a game for hooligans, man. Rugby's a game for gentlemen. Like,
and what sport do you like? Rugby.
Rugby.
Those are some real men. Those are some killers on the rugby field. Those are real men. Those are some killers. All right. I'm going to ask you a question. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
What team is Tom Brady known for playing for?
Oh, man. I know this. It's the Patriots,
Tom Brady, the greatest NFL football player, American football player. What team did he play
American
for?
football.
I'm sure it's the Patriots. He was in the Patriots
Wow.
back in the
He's
day. I went
latest
to watch the Super Bowl out actually in Colorado. 2015, I think it was. And I think that's when he was in the Patriots. Am I right?
I feel like you went and watched the Super Bowl in 2015.
I didn't watch the Super Bowl. I was in America. I watched it in one of your guys' sports bars. Like, epic. The vibe there is sick,
He's 100% right. New England Patriots were in the Super Bowl, and that is when they won against the Seahawks because they didn't give it to Marshawn Lynch on the run. He's there. He's not capping, Llama. He's not fucking capping. He's on to the third and final question. Matt the Mad Zappa.
Guy's on some serious business right now.
This guy's on business. He's fucking training Ukrainians. He's a badass. He's a paratrooper. He's holding his longs. Mary is fucking dripping wet.
We got the.
He's showing the guns and the wings. Oh my god! Put a warning label on this fucking guy. Mary, Jesus Christ! Put a warning label on this guy. Yeah, I think some of the dudes are getting wet right at this point. You gotta watch the guys from Atlanta in the chat. The guys from Atlanta.
Yeah. Gotta be careful with those.
Never know. Yeah, never know.
It's not gay. It's airborne, right?
It's nothing gay when you're airborne.
Wow, that's pretty gay.
Llama, last question. He said he held orb until his fib extension.
I've moved stops to
where?
I've moved my stops to 20,065.
All right, that's gonna get hit probably. I expect price to reverse from here, so be careful for the ride that's coming.
Previous wick low is at 24.8. Previous wick low in the 15 minutes at 24.8.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
question. Let's get a good question for the bro.
That's everything. I'm out.
Let's get a good question for the bro.
Good, quite right. Like, this guy knew American sports, American states. Like, this guy kind of knows everything.
He's Mr. Worldwide. He's Mr. Worldwide. Let's give him. Could give him. Nah, he knows fibs. He trades fibs. We can't give him a fib question. Can't give him an orb question. He's trading fib and orb. Like he's gonna smack that too easily.
Right.
He's
He
gonna
lifts,
smack that too
trades,
easily.
makes money. Look at his pronouns.
His
For sure
pronouns
cheating.
is I make money.
No, it says he lifts,
Trying
trades, and
to
makes
make
this money. That guy for sure cheats on his fucking fiance. 100%.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 100%.
100%.
100%. Yeah.
You can just tell he's a cheater. Okay. That's what is the team of the jersey that me and Max are wearing?
Oh, I can't see your screen.
What is the team and what did they just do?
You guys, I can't see your guys' screens. I can only see your names.
Can you see us?
You see us or what?
No, I can't see you at all. It's just when you speak, it's just your logo.
Really? Strange.
Yeah, hold on, I'll show you.
That's strange. Okay, so you can't see. What do you just see the chat? Oh, that's so weird. Why is it like that? That must be on your Discord settings or something.
Yeah, maybe. I can see you when when you guys are chatting and stuff, but now it's just your voice.
Yeah, that's that Ukrainian Wi-Fi.
What about this?
That's that Ukrainian Wi-Fi.
Do you see me
All
now?
right.
Do you see my screen?
No.
Oh, I'm not sharing screen. I'm an idiot.
I could probably let me switch to the computer because I'm on my iPad. Maybe that's the thing. Hold on 2 seconds. My iPad's on 3.
It's fine. It's fine. We'll just we'll give you a hint. All right. We'll give you a question. All right. Do you know anything about hockey?
No, not really.
Nothing at all about hockey?
Nah. Not ice hockey. No.
Oh, so you couldn't name the 2 Florida hockey teams right now.
Not even close. Like it's not.
Yeah,
it's
he's
not.
not
Ice, is it? It's not ice hockey. Like I've never watched ice hockey.
My desk.
No, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Here's your last and final question. What is the only cryptocurrency that I would consider trading and buying?
Well, it's got to be Bitcoin. Surely everything else is going to go to zero.
What is any cryptocurrency? What is the one that I like? I would definitely buy it.
Well, you don't like cryptocurrency at all. You think it's shit, so none. But if you had to buy one, it'd be Bitcoin. Surely.
What is your final answer? You're giving 2 answers there.
No, if you had to buy one.
No, if I was gonna.
So if you were going to buy Bitcoin, if you were going to buy crypto, you're not going to buy crypto. You don't like crypto.
So what's the answer?
No, you want to buy anything?
I ain't never gonna buy that dog shit.
None of that
I don't give a fuck if it was free.
Yeah, that other guy from the other day who had loads of Bitcoin, you were like, man, shit, scam.
That guy was a fucking liar. First of all, that guy was a scammer. He was a piece of shit. He was a total cap from day one. Total lie. And then he sent us a bunch of fake ass screenshots that didn't verify any of his claims that he said. The guy was a total scammer. So congratulations, Mad Safa. You have just won a 50K TPT account, my friend.
Cool.
Absolutely killed it. You did a great job. It was a wonderful interview. You're a badass mama jamma. You ever come to the United States?
Yeah, I definitely want to come, man. 100%.
Yeah, you should definitely come to the US. And we'll hang out. If you're ever in South Florida, you hit up me and the llama.
100%.
And we'll definitely go we'll go shoot some real American shit. We'll fucking shoot guns and we'll raise your cholesterol and we'll fucking eat bacon and drink whiskey.
Nice. Mate,
hell yeah.
5 top favorite things.
Yeah. And we'll drive in a massive gas guzzling SU fucking truck, F-350 jacked up.
Right.
Yeah.
As you should.
Yeah, as you should. Enjoy the little things in life.
Wait, Max, isn't your car electric?
Guys, let me just switch to my computer because my iPad's on 1%, so it might die.
Hey, don't worry about it, buddy. This is your last 2 seconds. We're kicking your ass regardless.
You are the good. Mad Safa, any last words for the chat? Anybody?
Do I need to have a TPT account first before I do this?
You need to make an email and register. Yes.
Okay,
I'll go register. And then what? Give a ticket in the...
Support ticket, yep.
Cool. Keep up the good work, guys. That was sick.
We appreciate you, brother.
I'll be on you every day, man, when I can.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
There goes 65. His SL would have been hit.
I was waiting for it. I would have went fucking berserk. I would have went berserk.
I was hovering him already.
Lost it. I know Llama. You guys know Llama sits there with his finger on the fucking disconnect trigger now. Every time I say any last words, you see Llama's face. He's laughing. He goes like this. And he just sits there. We
saved him 20 points, Max. He got out at 85. I told him 65 is getting hit, and he went directly to 64. So we saved him 20 points. No.
That guy crushed it.
It was
fucking badass dude, badass trader, badass everything. I mean, the guy killed it. So, guys, that is it. another amazing. I mean, we put on a clinic today. I got another funded account that I grinded out like 7 or 8 trades, 90, almost 10,000 in profit in total. And we're funded on another one. We crushed it, guys. Funded Future Family. Let's go. Russ just passed another one. Absolutely killed it. Congratulations to everybody. Not going to do a profit roll call today. 1,000 people already left. I missed the opportunity after I was hitting all those bangers. But we appreciate you all, and nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. Please subscribe, like, comment, enjoy the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're here for entertainment purposes only. Take advantage of the free Discord. We have so much free shit for you guys here, and the futures trading, the trading bots. If you want to trade like me, check out the course. We have the Mastermind, Futures One, and Llama's course, all available right here in the Discord, or the indicators. We have the beautiful chat that we have with the best moderation team in the world. Don't forget to tip your staff, guys. Tip your staff. They work so hard. They work for free. Give them a little tip. Buy them a cup of coffee or something. And as always, all we ask from you guys is that you support us through our partner promos. Just use code P2P or code BDM, BDM on all props. Code P2P on Take Profit Trader, and we can continue having fun and giving back all of the fucking proceeds to the staff and to everybody. We've given out $55,000, 235. We're on a 37-day win streak, and our record is 71-2 live. So go tell your paid Discord friends you're dog shit. Nobody will ever do what the Big Daddy Morning Show does day in and day out. They're dog shit. And don't forget to tune in to the Power Hour special with Big Daddy Logan and fucking big fat idiot Javi and
Javi.
Yep. Logan is special. Javi is extra special. The Power Hour special. It's designed for you guys. They're actually on a heater. They're on what, a 7-day win streak too?
7-day win streak. They're killing it right now.
They're hitting bangers. Yeah, some guy was talking shit to Logan yesterday. I didn't get the full story, but I guess Logan kind of snapped on him, and then Logan hit the biggest trade of his fucking career right after. It reminds me of the time there was a guy talking shit to Llama, and he fucking hit a absolute monster right after that, and it doesn't get better than that. There's a picture of the psycho Big Daddy Logan fucking flexing on them hoes. Logan too fine. Coach April is a dude. Okay. And thank you guys. We appreciate you all for another amazing, epic episode of the Big Daddy Morning Show. Llama.
Hold on. I just killed it on my pro accounts. That sell was obnoxious, guys. I had a feeling it was going to flip. That was beautiful. Everything we do is for entertainment purposes, guys. We are not financial advisors. If you want to learn how to do what we do, Max has his own course. My course is now officially has its own section here, and we have the futures one where you can learn directly from both of us. We have Logan and Javi Power Hour. We have private coaching sessions with Jake, Sean, Javi, Max, me, and we officially finished a whole month. What was that about? Finished the whole month green, Max. We finished the whole entire month green, completely free. Over 55,000 in giveaways, 37-day win streak, kind of obnoxious. Let me just send a little screenshot to the bros.
We're gonna get so cooked soon.
Look at this. Look at these TPTs. Look at these TPTs just went to work. 1,700 per TPT account. Pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. Matter of fact, just in case, I'll give another screenshot just in case people think, it's old pictures, whatever you guys want to think. We're out of buffer. We're withdrawing. It's actually just obnoxious. There's a date. There's a time. Everything's looking great, guys. It was a fucking pleasure, guys. We're as transparent as can be. If we fucking lose, we lose. It's as simple as that, guys. Everyone have a great fucking day. We'll be back on tomorrow, Friday, ending the week off strong. We'll be back at 3 p.m. with Logan and Javi, who are currently on an 8-day win streak. They haven't lost a fucking day, bro. Actually incredible. Max, any last words? You're gay. Shut your bitch ass up.